Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wufoo to Slack, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Wufoo website. Log in to your Wufoo account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the form you want to connect to Slack. Click on the form to open the Forms Edit view. In the top menu, select the Notifications tab. Scroll down to the Webhooks section. Click on Add a Webhook. In a new tab, open the Slack app directory. Search for and select the incoming Webhooks app. Click on the Add to Slack button. Choose the Slack channel where you want to receive Wufoo notifications. Click on the Add Incoming Webhooks Integration button. Copy the generated webhook URL from Slack. Return to your Wufoo account. Paste the Slack webhook URL into the Wufoo webhook field. Customize the message format if needed to suit your preferences. Save your changes in Wufoo. Submit a test entry in your Wufoo form. Switch to your Slack channel to check for the newly received message. Verify that the information received is correct and formatted appropriately. Congratulations, your Wufoo form is now connected to Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.